Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to download Reddit on your PC if you didn't already know. It's a really simple process which anyone can do if you just follow my steps and watch this video till the end. So all you gotta do is open up Microsoft Store on your PC or the desktop you are using. After you open up Microsoft Store, you just need to search for Reddit. You need to write here Reddit and click on enter. After clicking on enter, the Reddit will show at the top right here. This is the official app of Reddit, and all you gotta do is click on this get button on the green, and you just gotta wait for a few seconds or a minute, and the app will be installed on your device. It will be all brand new. You can even create an account, surf without an account, and do anything that you like on Reddit. If you guys don't know how to create an account or how to use a Reddit account, you can check out our video which will be right on the description below. And as you guys can see, my Reddit has already been downloaded. I'm clicking on open. It has already opened, but you guys can't see as of now. So this is how you download Reddit on your PC. And if you guys learned something today and found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.